This presentation is to introduce Transcom's video entertainment system and to provide operating instructions. The Transcom video entertainment system consists of video projectors mounted in the ceiling or baggage bin units and covered by shrouds. There is a video projector or video monitor in each zone. There are also screens, which stow and must be adjusted to the viewing position for use, and a system control center located in a closet, baggage compartment, or galley unit, whichever is designated by the airline. The system control center contains the system control unit, or SCU, and videotape players, or VTRs, of two types. A quad VTR, such as this one, the only controls for the system are in this control center. The center will normally be equipped also with a 4-inch screen video monitor on which the program can be viewed by the operator. The SCU contains the System Master Power Switch, projector on-off buttons, the source select buttons for either VTR1, VTR2, or live TV, and also a PA switch and a monitor select switch. First, the flight attendant should check with the flight deck to ensure that all appropriate circuit breakers and switches are on. Then, to start the system, press the Master System Power On button on the system control unit. Make sure that the on button illuminates. Now to the VTRs. The quad video tape player is on if the on standby lamp and the light inside the cassette access doors are illuminated. Make sure that these are on. The projector off button will also be illuminated on the SCU. If your airline is using more than one VTR, verify each one separately. The SCU includes a video system PA capability which channels audio over the PA system, such as when playing safety tapes. For movie viewing, set the PA speaker knob to the off position, full counterclockwise. If your aircraft is equipped with a 4-inch monitor, turn it on like this. Check that the monitor is on by seeing that the on button and the screen are illuminated. For videotape presentations, the videotape cassette to be used is placed into the videotape player with the arrow up and pointing toward the cassette access doors. Insert the cassette gently. The quad videotape player is self-feeding and will load the cassette automatically. Forcing the cassette in can damage the player. It takes 4 to 5 seconds for the tape to thread. During this time, the inside light will flash. When the threading is completed, the light will stay steady. To ensure that the tape is at the start point, press the rewind buttons on both videotape players. The rewind, play, and fast forward buttons will all illuminate when pressed. The VTR will stop automatically when the cassette is rewound. If you want to locate a certain spot on the tape, this player has a search function to use. To operate the search, press the play button and allow the player to run. Then press and hold either the rewind or the fast forward button, depending on which direction you wish to go. Once you reach the desired location on the tape, release the rewind or fast forward button and the player will play normally. The format select switch will be in the 3.58 position for most use. The VTR is also designed to accept other formats. The next step is to prepare the video projectors for operation. Start the projectors by pressing the projector on button on the SCU for each zone. The projector on buttons should light up. The number of buttons on the SCU varies with the number of projector zones. When you're ready to start the program, press the play button on the VTRs. Select the VTR for each zone by pressing the appropriate source select button on the SCU. To monitor the program being presented on each of the VTRs, turn the monitor switch on the SCU. Select the videotape player desired, VTR1 or VTR2. The picture being presented on each VTR can be seen on the 4-inch video monitor. A headset jack is provided to monitor the audio. When the program is completed, press the stop buttons on the videotape players. Then turn off the projectors at the SCU. Rewind the cassettes by pushing the rewind buttons on the VTRs. When the tape is rewound, the player will automatically stop. Press the eject button and remove the cassette. These cassettes contain copyrighted material that is protected by law. It is important that the cassettes be stowed when not in use, in strict accordance with airline policy. The 4-inch monitor should be turned off separately. Turn the system power off by pressing the master system power switch on the SCU. Finally, all viewing screens should be returned to the stowed position. Let's briefly review the operating procedures of the Transcom video system. Start the system by turning the power on at the SCU. Turn on the 4-inch monitor. Verify that the VTRs are on. Position the cassette properly and place it in the VTR. Remember, the quad VTR will load itself automatically. Don't force the cassette in. On both VTRs, press rewind after loading to make sure that the tape is at the start position. Now, turn the projectors on for each zone by the buttons on the SCU. Turn the PA system off except when playing a safety tape. Now, the system is ready to go. Check the VTRs again to make sure that they are on, loaded, and rewound. Then press the play button on the VTRs and verify that the program is on by the picture on your 4-inch monitor. The Transcom Video Entertainment System has been designed for ease of operation and maximum passenger enjoyment. We sincerely hope that it helps make your work more pleasant too.